Hey gang, welcome to my channel. This is the eKyro. I'm going to show you how I installed it. It works fantastic as you can see here. It opens and closes, sends signals, and it's just super easy to install. Watch the whole video. I'm going to show you everything from soup to nuts. Let's get to the video and thanks for watching. Let's go.
Okay guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, actually, if you saw my first video, was the unboxing of this smart garage door opener. And today we're actually installing it. So if you want to see the unboxing, click on this video over here. You'll see that right there. You'll see the whole unboxing. But now we're going to install this. So basically, it's two wires that go to the controller for the and plug this in, and then we have an alarm, basically like a house alarm. You would have a contact, so that would send a signal to this if the garage is open or closed. I already paired everything to my phone. I already downloaded the software, and that's in the other video. So we're just going to install this in my garage. This is my garage door here. This is an old, I don't know, it's in the 80s maybe, or 90s. I'm not sure. It's quite old. Made in USA, so you know it's vintage. And right here is the controller, right here, the box. So this is actually the wireless controller. This is like how old school this is. This has the dip switches in here. And then we have the control for the garage door. And this is actually, this goes to the sensors. So these are for the sensors here. These two here for the sensors. And these two, I believe, I think 1 and 2, I have to figure out which one of these jumps the garage door. So we'll just get that figured out. 1, 2, 3, 4 it says. So I'm thinking it's 1 and 2. It looks like to me right there, 1 and 2 looks like, I think that's probably the one that jumps it, but we'll just take a test. And we're gonna mount this on the side. So I'm just gonna show you real quick. So I'm taking this piece here and I'm thinking that, move this out of the way, that I'm gonna mount it right here on the side here. It's got two double sticky tape I showed you before. I'm gonna stick it here. I'm gonna wire it right here. There's a plug right there. So that's all gonna work. And then we just have to hook up the wire here for the alarm. And that's it. That's all we gotta do. So all right, let's just get this attached. I'm gonna just do a quick cutaway. I'm gonna stick this here, and then we're gonna hook up the wires. I'm gonna show you that in a minute. And then we're gonna just run this wire here. And it should be a pretty quick install. I'd say this is about, out of 0 to 10, I would say this is probably about a 5 or a 6. If you're not comfortable, you can hire somebody, and I think that definitely you can do it yourself. It's pretty easy to do. We basically just, once you figure out the 2 jumping wires, the rest of it's pretty easy. And that's pretty much all you gotta do. All right, so let's get going to that. I'm gonna stick this on here, and then I'll be right back with you. Okay guys, so I did install it, and the red and the black is that simple. So just make sure you do it the correct way. If I had it backwards and the open was the close was the open, I just reversed the connections and it works fine. It's either one or the other. It's that simple. You can see here I attach it to the side of the unit. The light is solid. Here is my power cord. Here is plugged in here like that. You can see. So this is already up and running and connected. So I took a touch. I'll show you my app real quick, and I'll show you. I just got to hook up the sensor, and that's about it. So you can see here. Here's the garage door. I'll hit open. You can see the garage door is now opening, just like that. Here. And I'm just gonna hook up the sensor, and then we'll see how it goes from there. All right, don't forget to like, share, subscribe. I'll leave a link down below like I told you. This is super easy. Like I said, this is probably even like a 4 in the install, so really easy to install. So this is where the device is. This is where the wires are. You can just tuck everything in a little bit tighter if you want to, add some wire ties, whatever you need to do. And just make it all snug. We're just doing a rough install, and then we're gonna tack everything down. All right, guys, let's continue. So the next thing I'm gonna do is install this sensor, and that tells me the door is closed and open. And that's what that's for. So that's gonna be the next step. All right, let's get to that. I'm gonna run the wire and see how it goes. Okay, guys, so I pretty much ran the wire. So what I did here is I just, like I said before, I connected it here, put the wires here, the red and the black, plugged it in. Make sure you unplug everything before you hook everything up. Make sure you unplug the power source for the garage door. That's important. And basically just run, it's just basically cable management at this point. So I did a wire tie here. They gave me these little wire ties. I just moved this out of the way. I tied the excess for the sensor over here. I actually tied the anchor part up here, ran it across the top of the garage, and I'm gonna show you where I ended it and how I connected it to the sensor, to the door, what I did. So you can see here the wires coming down the garage rail. I couldn't attach it to the rail. This is an old system with the chain, kind of funky. I do have to get some more clips just to attach this more to the ceiling. I got these little ones here. Were kind of small. They really didn't. They're holding up. I'm not doing a great job. So I got to get some better ones for that. These little stick-on ones I put here, here, and here. Another one I nailed into a stud there, and basically ran it to the rail. So hopefully you can see. So one sensor's at the rail and one sensor's at the traveler right here. I did a two-way sticky tape on here and here. I cleaned the surfaces really well of any grease or any dirt, and they're on there pretty good. So hopefully it won't fall off. If they do, of course, I'll get a notification and we'll have to figure out another solution. But right now, this seems to work the best. The reason why I didn't do it on the door, I just didn't have the right angling, and I wanted to get it done today. And this is insulation, so I couldn't nail it to the insulation. And then the door stuck out too far. The bracket was in the way for the door lift. All kinds of issues. So this was an easier solution. If it does fall off, I'll get some better adhesive. Maybe I get an epoxy and just stick it on. That'll never come off. So that'll be that. And this is how it just hits loose like this on top of the rail, all out of the way of the chain mechanism, and this does close now. So that is closed. I did get a closed signal on my phone, and it is working exactly as it's supposed to. Let me get this up for you. So you can see here, garage door is closed. Let me get out of the way. 1 second. Now I'm gonna open the garage door with the remote, which is cool, with the phone. So open the garage door. The door is opening. Garage door is opening. You saw that alert. You can see it's traveling. No problem, plenty of clearance from the wire, and I just have to get some more, just tack some more wire up there. There's the sensor right there. You can see everything looks really good. And now we're just gonna, says the garage door's open, it's telling you. Now I'm gonna close it. You can see that, easy to do, you hit the button, close the door. Now you're gonna see, once it connects to that sensor, bam, and now we should get a notification. Garage has been closed. And that's it, guys. All right, don't forget to like, share, subscribe. I'll leave a link below this video. It's a affiliate link for this actual product. I did not get this free. I paid for this. This is something I wanted to do myself, and I wanted to install it and show you how to do it. So this is what it is. Again, smart garage door controller by, I think, eKyro, I think. Works with Alexa, Google, pretty much all devices. And so far, so good. I'll keep you updated if I have any issues, but I just have to get some better staples or something to tack that up. And everything's all done, everything's all secured, and I actually really love it so far. All right, guys, I appreciate it as always. If you enjoyed my video, don't forget that super thanks. Everything I do raise in the super thanks, anything I raise with my channel, it goes to buying new products and doing new projects like this to help you so you can see how to do it. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And also, it would be great if you wanted to be a sponsor, let me know. I appreciate that as well. All right, guys, I see you at the next one. And this thing rocks. I love this thing. So far, so good. And that's so cool. All right, guys, see you at the next video.